Join us at the VilleAero Conference, the pre-eminent aerospace and logistics conference in Western North America, being held in Edmonton, Alberta. Join us as we discuss the vast opportunities and challenges in aircraft manufacturing, satellite manufacturing, avionics, maintenance, repair, and overhaul services, and cutting-edge technologies such as unmanned aerial systems, electric and alternative fuels. The Edmonton region has long been known as the gateway to the north, and for good reason. This impressive resource and transportation hub is fueling the aircraft and aerospace manufacturing sectors, and the sky's the limit. Join us at the VilleAero Conference to hear from leading professionals and companies from all over North America as we discuss the vast opportunities and challenges in the aerospace and logistics industries. Register today